Have you ever noticed that your body feels weaker than it used to, even though you try to eat well, take supplements, and stay active? Many people over the age of 60 experience this frustrating change. Strength slowly fades, balance becomes harder to maintain, and simple everyday activities begin to feel more difficult than they once did. At first, it may seem like a normal part of aging. Maybe you notice it when lifting a grocery bag, climbing stairs, or standing up from a chair. Tasks that once required little effort now seem to take more energy. But what many people do not realize is that this gradual loss of strength is often linked to a specific biological process known as sarcopenia. Sarcopenia refers to the progressive loss of muscle mass and muscle function that naturally occurs as we grow older. Starting around the age of 30, the body slowly begins to lose muscle tissue. The process is gradual at first, but it tends to accelerate after the age of 60. Without the right nutrition and activity levels, adults can lose up to 3 to 8% of their muscle mass per decade. This is why many older adults notice declining strength, slower walking speed, and reduced balance. Muscle tissue plays a critical role in nearly every movement the body performs. Strong muscles support joints, maintain posture, protect bones, and help regulate metabolism. When muscle mass decreases, the entire body begins to feel the effects. But here is the encouraging news. Research shows that muscle loss can be slowed, and in some cases partially reversed, by making targeted changes to nutrition and daily habits. One of the most powerful places to start is with breakfast. The foods eaten in the morning play a surprisingly important role in how the body maintains and repairs muscle tissue throughout the day. In this video, we will explore 5 powerful breakfast foods that can help support muscle health after the age of 60, along with important habits that may be unknowingly weakening muscle strength. Before we continue, take a moment to like the video and subscribe for more simple health tips designed to help you stay strong, active, and independent. To understand why breakfast matters so much, we first need to look at what happens inside the body overnight. While you sleep, your body enters a natural repair cycle. During the day, muscles are constantly used for walking, lifting, balancing, and movement. This use causes tiny microscopic stress within the muscle fibers. This process is completely normal and actually beneficial. When muscle fibers experience small amounts of stress, the body responds by repairing them. During this repair process, the fibers can grow stronger and more resilient. However, for this repair process to work properly, the body needs the right nutrients, especially protein and essential amino acids. During the night, the body is essentially fasting for many hours. By the time morning arrives, nutrient levels are lower and muscles are ready for replenishment. This is where breakfast becomes critical. A well-balanced breakfast can deliver the nutrients required for muscle repair and growth. But a poor breakfast, one lacking protein or essential nutrients, may slow this process and contribute to muscle decline over time. Unfortunately, many common breakfast choices may not provide the nutrients muscles need. For example, highly refined breakfast cereals often contain large amounts of sugar and processed grains. These foods provide quick energy, but very little protein or essential nutrients for muscle maintenance. When consumed frequently, they can cause rapid spikes in blood sugar, followed by sudden drops in energy. Over time, these fluctuations may contribute to fatigue and metabolic stress. Another habit that can affect muscle health is drinking coffee on an empty stomach. Coffee itself is not necessarily harmful. In fact, moderate caffeine consumption may provide certain benefits. However, drinking strong coffee before eating any food can increase levels of stress hormones in the body. When this occurs regularly, it may interfere with the body's ability to regulate energy and repair tissues efficiently. Highly processed breakfast meats can also present challenges. Many packaged bacon, sausages, and deli meats contain high levels of sodium and preservatives. While occasional consumption is unlikely to cause harm, frequent intake may contribute to inflammation. Inflammation can interfere with muscle recovery and may worsen age-related muscle decline. Now that we understand what may weaken muscle health, let's explore foods that can help support it. The first powerful breakfast food is Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is well known for its high protein content. Compared to traditional yogurt, It contains nearly double the protein, making it an excellent option for muscle maintenance. Protein provides the amino acids necessary to repair muscle fibers and support muscle growth. Greek yogurt also contains beneficial probiotics that support digestive health. A healthy digestive system helps the body absorb nutrients more efficiently. Calcium in yogurt also contributes to bone strength, which is particularly important as muscle and bone health are closely connected. The second powerful food for supporting muscle strength is eggs. Eggs are considered one of the most complete protein sources available. They contain all 9 essential amino acids that the body cannot produce on its own. These amino acids are required for muscle repair, tissue growth, and enzyme production. Eggs also provide vitamin D, a nutrient that plays an important role in muscle function and bone health. Many people are surprised to learn that vitamin D deficiency is relatively common in older adults. Including foods that naturally contain this vitamin can help support overall strength and mobility. The third valuable breakfast food is avocado. Avocados provide healthy monounsaturated fats, which support heart health and help reduce inflammation in the body. They are also rich in potassium, a mineral that plays an essential role in muscle contraction and nerve signaling. Proper potassium levels help muscles contract smoothly and prevent weakness or fatigue. Avocados also support the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins, such as vitamins A, D, E, and K. The fourth helpful addition to a muscle-supporting breakfast is lean protein, such as chicken or turkey. While many people associate these foods with lunch or dinner, small portions can easily be included in morning meals. Lean proteins provide important nutrients, including B vitamins and iron, which help the body convert food into usable energy. Including lean protein at breakfast can help maintain steady energy levels while supporting muscle repair throughout the day. The fifth powerful food group for breakfast is nuts and seeds. Foods such as almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and pumpkin seeds contain plant-based protein, healthy fats, and important minerals. Magnesium, found in many nuts and seeds, plays a key role in muscle function and nerve communication. Zinc supports immune health and tissue repair. The antioxidants found in these foods may also help reduce inflammation, which can support long-term muscle health. Another important breakfast ingredient that deserves attention is oats. Oats provide complex carbohydrates that deliver steady energy rather than sudden spikes in blood sugar. They also contain fiber that supports digestive health and helps maintain stable energy levels throughout the morning. When combined with protein sources such as yogurt or nuts, oats can become a powerful muscle-supporting breakfast option. In addition to specific foods, hydration is also important for muscle health. Muscles are composed largely of water. Even mild dehydration can reduce muscle performance and increase fatigue. Drinking a glass of water after waking up can help rehydrate the body after hours of sleep. For older adults, maintaining muscle strength is not just about physical appearance. It is about preserving independence and quality of life. Strong muscles help prevent falls, support balance, and make daily activities easier. Simple actions like standing up from a chair, walking across a room, or climbing stairs all depend heavily on muscle strength. Maintaining that strength can significantly improve long-term health and mobility. Nutrition alone is not the only factor, however. Light physical activity also plays a critical role in muscle maintenance. Activities such as walking, resistance band exercises, or light strength training can stimulate muscle fibers and encourage growth. When exercise is combined with proper nutrition, the body becomes much more efficient at maintaining muscle mass. Even small daily habits can make a meaningful difference over time. Adding protein to breakfast, choosing whole foods instead of highly processed options, staying hydrated, and remaining physically active all contribute to maintaining strength. A healthy breakfast routine is not about complicated diets or strict meal plans. It is about providing the body with the building blocks it needs to repair itself and stay strong. Many older adults who make these simple adjustments report improved energy levels, better balance, and greater confidence in their daily movements. Small changes today can help support strength and mobility for many years to come. If you found this information helpful, Remember to like the video and subscribe so you can continue learning simple, science-based tips that support healthy aging and long-term strength.